Hey guys, it's Heather and I'm coming to you with another honest review. This review is going to be on the 52-inch indoor-outdoor Honeywell Island Palm fan that you see here. I currently have it turned off, so this is just the flow of the wind that is blowing it. I wanted you guys to be able to see the actual blades and everything. This aesthetically will go with pretty much anything. It is super quiet. You can install the blades multiple different ways. It's flawless. Everything about it. Like I said, it was an easy install, and I 100% recommend this to anyone looking for an outdoor fan for their side porch. Check it out.